How to customize your Google Chrome homepage. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Chrome and then tap on customize option on the bottom. It's on the bottom right. Tap on it and then you will see various color options. So you'll also see the mode light and dark. So if you want dark mode, you can tap on dark, and you can even choose light mode if you prefer the light mode, and then choose the colors. So you can see the preview, so choose the color that you like the most and then come down, and then you will see shortcuts option. So you can either choose to show shortcuts or you can even turn it off. And then you can see theme option on the very top. Tap on it and then there you'll see various themes, so you can just tap on it and then you can see the preview of the themes. And if you want all the themes to refresh again and again, then you can even tap on refresh daily option on the very top. And if you want to change the theme, you can just come back and then you can choose other themes that you want. Just tap on it and you'll see various pictures here again. You just have to tap on it and then that's it. It's really simple to customize your Google Chrome homepage. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.